This will be a thorough overview and assembly of the Aeitto by Hoten. I'm not sure how you pronounce that one. Aeitto by Hoten. So this is the device here. This is the white dot right there. Here are your pieces. 4 pieces. Forgot the name of them. But we'll start with this one. And you see the white dot? Line the white dots together. Then this piece has a little dot right here. Hard to see. It's not colored. But you put it in there until it can't turn anymore. It's lined up with the dot. That dot there. Right there. Then take this piece and you just kind of push it in till it locks in place all the way down. Then the last piece, just sit it on there. See where it says align? It says align, twist it. Now it's locked. And turn it on there. See, I'm going to turn it off now. So we have some kale, turmeric, ginger, blueberries, banana, 1 orange, 1 apple, 2 carrots, 1 stalk of celery. So let's begin with the orange. First you have to release the latch. And we're going to turn it on forward. And we're going to start with an orange. Try an apple slice. And it's not that loud of a machine. See the pulp here? Try another orange slice. Slice the apple. So I'm going to put the banana in the back. Try carrot. And they gave us this little poker to push in there. And just in case. See the pulp it's making? And this is almost full, but it will not fill this container with one usage. So we're going to throw in some ginger lot of juice for such a small amount of fruits and vegetables. Alright, so we're going to release the juice. Alright, close it up. And I'm going to juice some more. We're going forward. Try some more carrot, celery, okra, a little bit of orange juice and stuff, and orange carrot on the sides here. May not get all that. Try some turmeric. Or is it turmeric? turmeric. Some say turmeric. Some say turmeric. And I'm gonna open this back up. We're gonna go in with the kale. Maybe I shouldn't have put the kale in this section. I probably should put it in the hole at the top. So that kale kind of wipes some of those pieces of fruits off the sides. So let me try putting the kale in the little hole. It's kind of small though. Put your kale in the first shoot, but I think this looks better. Now it's time for some blueberries. I'm gonna put them in the top hole. Alright, I'll release it. Get ready. Nice green juice here. There's our pulp. And it's almost time for cleanup time. I'm going to show you how easy that is. I'll be one-handed though, holding the phone, trying to show you. blueberries. Did I mention blueberries already? 1 banana and kale. And then, as I was saying, it's almost time for cleanup time. I'm going to show you how that works. So they give you this brush. It's like a large toothbrush. 2 ends to it. This is for like some of the sheets. This is a scrub, of course, like this part. So I'm one-handed, so I can't really do anything. But it kind of rinses easier, I think. So it kind of rinses off. Just kind of rinse it down. Then for the rest, you use the toothbrush, or the brush rather. I called it a toothbrush. Pretty easy to clean. This right here, the sides here you use the toothbrush for. But the inside's pretty much clean. Well, not clean, but free of the after product, if you will. And then, and rinse that out. I'm gonna use soap. This soap, of course. So, clean up time. So it's all clean. Ready for the next juice.